Hello everyone, welcome to another one of Roy's computer tips and tricks. Today I wanted to show you um, a program that Microsoft slips into the Fall Creators Update in 2018 for remote desktop. And it was quietly slid in there. A lot of us didn't even know it existed, but it allows you to receive assistance from somebody wanting to show you something where they need to see your screen, or you providing assistance to somebody where you need to see their screen and take control. And it's all done securely through the cloud with a secure access code, just like other programs you may have used, like TeamViewer or AnyDesk or Splashtop, those kind of things. Um, but this one is built right into Windows, doesn't require any additional software, and it uses the security of the Microsoft account. So highly recommend it. There are other applications that are better and more specialized for certain tasks. For instance, AnyDesk is more suited for graphical type things. If you need to, help somebody like, video and that sort of stuff where you need a little bit more bandwidth, you need a little bit more higher end control of their screen and what you can view. But this will help you if you just simply need to see their screen, see what applications they're doing, help them with, browsers, updating Windows, programs, that sort of thing, settings, provide assistance that way. And it's called Quick Assist, and it can be found in the Start menu. The official location is under um, the Windows accessories is where it actually exists, and quick access. Or you can do a search, and the second I type Q, it actually comes up, but Quick Assist. And this is what it looks like. Very simple little app. Get assistance from somebody or assist another person. Getting assistance, you need the code from the other person, and I'm going to show you how that works. And again, like I said, it requires the Microsoft account. So I have a laptop sitting here, needs a little bit of work, haven't turned it on for a while, needs some updates. I don't want to keep picking it up, putting it on my lap, vice versa. I'm going to control it from this computer where I'm already working on something and just have it in a window, which is handy. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So we're going to assist another person. Like I said, it's going to want your Microsoft account. So I'm going to pause real quick while I set that up, and then I'll show you the next step. Alrighty, so I've signed into my Microsoft account. You can see I have my security code here. It expires in 10 minutes. So before 10 minutes is up, I need to pick up my laptop. Here it is right here. You can see I already have Quick Assist open, and I'm ready for my code. So I'm going to go to that first part where it says code from assistant, and I'm going to type this in. 851538. Share screen is the button that comes up after you type that code. It's doing its little circle thing, waiting. Okay, here we go. We're connecting. All right, and then once you get to that far, you have two options. You can just view, so you can see what they're doing without interrupting the mouse movements, so on and so forth, or you can take full control, which if you are a tech-savvy person and you're helping somebody, that's the one you're going to want, of course, is take full control. But remember, if all you're doing is viewing something that somebody wants to show you or something, then you can just do view. I believe you can request full control later. Or you can always, stop it and start it again. But we're going to say take full control. Now, since has the security of the Microsoft account and everything, you cannot allow somebody to take full control without allowing them. So you see, just like other applications that you're used to, this PC is saying, do you trust this person? Do you want to allow them to take full control of your computer? Please shut down non-essential applications, remove private data, anything, inappropriate pictures on your screen, anything you don't want them to see. Make that happen before you hit the allow button. Okay, so I'm going to hit allow, and it's connecting. I should be able to set this laptop back down, and yep, there we are. Okay, now there are some interesting things here. So if you have more than one screen, you go into the monitor selector and you could say all monitors, which is very handy because then you could see all of them spread out on this list, which I tried this earlier on a computer that has 3 monitors, and I selected all monitors, which is the default, and it showed me everything. Or you can select a specific monitor. So that's the monitor selection. Notate here, I could be like, hey, yo, my buddy, the start button is down there. and then they would see that on their screen. Or if you're, going to, and there will erase that. Or if you're going to circle something, you could be like, hey, this is the thing I was talking about. The window on the Windows desktop. It's that, whatever it is. So annotate, very handy. Exit annotations. And the instructions panel, well, you can do full, I change the size. That's the actual size. That's full screen. Different things you can do there. You can toggle the instructions. This is basically a chat, hi buddy, and that'll pop up on their screen. They can reply. We're going to go ahead and we'll close this on this side. And since I have control of that computer, we'll close that as well. I don't want to close the quick assist because that'll close my session. I'm actually going to minimize that so it's down here. Okay. We can restart the remote computer. We can pull up the task manager for the remote computer, which is handy. And we can reconnect if we got disconnected. We can pause the connection. Hey, I'm going to be back in a minute. Okay. All right, let me pause. Or let me, type something that I don't want you to see. Okay, hold on, let me pause. All right, you done? Yep, I'm good. Okay, here we play it again. And then, the stop button, which of course ends. And if you hit the details here, then you see everything, spelled out what it is. So very handy, can take control of a computer. I'm going to come in here on this one. We're going to go to settings. We're going to go to Windows Update and just see what's, needed to do on this one, and I'll do that work in the background. But that is Windows Quick Assist. So I hope you found this video helpful and it is helping you in some way. If you're a remote user working from home, whatever the case may be. I will include the official link from Microsoft and the official instructions in my description of the video. Feel free to like, share this video if you have someone that this may help. And thanks for watching. Have a beautiful day.